So this is how to create an assignment with EdPuzzle in Canvas. So just go to assignment. It's sort of similar to the uploading Google Doc, make a copy for each student video. Just go first day school video, name of the assignment. Go to, I'll just leave it as warm-ups. Go to, leave it as points so it shows up down here, and go to external tool again, find, and you'll see EdPuzzle. If you didn't sync up EdPuzzle already, EdPuzzle won't come up here. But if you synced it properly, it should auto-populate here just above or somewhere on this configure extra tool pop-up. So go ahead and select EdPuzzle. And now all your videos in My Content only should appear here. So I have some for my referee class, government class, etc., etc. So I'm going to just select this one that I went into EdPuzzle, brought it to My Content, and I think you'll only be able to see, you might be able to add new content. I guess you can this way too if you click on add new content, but on this prompt you'll only be able to see videos in My Content. So back to school, there's no questions associated with this, but I'm going to just leave it here. Next, prevent skipping, okay, assign. And since I did it in my sandbox, it'll be assigned to my sandbox unless I share it with my other courses in my dashboard. So just go to select. The link should appear here. Limited attempts, 1. Assign to, I'm just going to assign it to my sandbox for now. I'll just set it as the second day of school, available from the first day of school to the second day of school. Save and publish. Alright, so here is my video in EdPuzzle within Canvas. So it's still in the assignments, but you still want to do the same thing we did with the Google Doc, make a copy for each student. Go to modules, and then I want them to watch it after their first warm-up, their first day, so I'll just go to warm-ups, scroll down a little bit, and it should be under warm-ups here, first day school video, add item, and it's green, it's published, so the students should be able to see it once I transfer all this over to their course, probably later today or tomorrow. Let's see here if it works. Oh, I know what I need to do here. I'll go to modules, let's go to student view, and they're probably not going to be able to see because I think it's still locked for students, so they can see everything even though it's in my sandbox right now. If you click on it, oh yeah, it's still locked till the first day of school. So that should work. That's how to create an EdPuzzle assignment in Canvas. Hope this helps.